The realm of personality psychology is a captivating journey into the intricacies of the human mind. Among the 16 distinct personality types defined by the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, the INFJ stands as one of the most enigmatic and unique. Known for their empathy, deep intuition, and profound insights into human nature, INFJs are often described as the counselors or advocates. Yet, beneath the surface of this compassionate and introspective personality type lies a hidden facet called the shadow self. In this video, we will explore the concept of the Sigma INFJ shadow self from a psychological perspective, using the iconic character of the Hulk as a means to illustrate the hidden depths of the INFJ personality. The concept of the shadow self is deeply rooted in psychology, particularly in the field of analytical psychology, and it was developed by the Swiss psychiatrist Carl Gustav Jung. Jung is the founder of the concept and is one of the most influential figures in the history of psychology. His ideas have had a significant impact not only on psychology but also on fields like literature, art, and spirituality. Analytical psychology, a school of thought developed by Carl Jung, focuses on exploring the deeper layers of the human psyche and the process of individuation, which refers to the development of one's unique and authentic self. Central to Jung's work is the concept of the shadow self. The shadow self represents the darker, unconscious side of an individual's personality that consists of repressed thoughts, emotions, desires, and qualities that are considered socially unacceptable or contrary to one's conscious self-image. This hidden aspect of the psyche often contains elements that are in conflict with the persona, or the social mask, that a person presents to the world. INFJs are often seen as the advocates of society, using their extraordinary understanding of human emotions and behavior to help and guide others. They possess a unique blend of traits, such as introversion, intuition, feeling, and judging, which allows them to perceive the world through a lens that is deeply attuned to the emotions, needs, and values of those around them. Their intuitive and introspective nature allows INFJs to see beneath the surface of situations and people. They can discern patterns, motivations, and hidden meanings that might elude others. This capacity for deep understanding makes them valuable advisors and confidants. Moreover, INFJs have a visionary side that often leads them to envision a better world and strive to bring about positive change. On a side note, many INFJs have a creative streak, and they often channel their insights and emotions into artistic pursuits such as writing, music, or visual arts. Their creativity allows them to convey complex emotions and ideas in unique and impactful ways. Since they are natural peacemakers who seek to create a harmonious environment, they are usually sensitive to conflict, and like a rubber band, when stretched too far, they tend to snap. However, the world of psychology reminds us that no personality type is without its shadows. The Sigma INFJ's shadow self, often referred to as the INFJ rage, which can emerge in times of heightened stress or emotional turmoil. Some people may find this to be very strange or out of character, as Sigma INFJs are usually known for their calm, empathetic, and insightful nature. Acknowledging the presence of this shadow can be a challenging and uncomfortable process. The shadow self can manifest in a variety of ways, often taking the form of behavior that sharply contrasts with their usual demeanor. This might include sudden outbursts of anger, intense stubbornness, or a strong desire to assert their own needs and desires, seemingly at odds with their typically selfless and accommodating nature. The Sigma INFJ shadow self essentially represents the eruption of suppressed emotions, desires, and instincts that have been pushed down or hidden due to societal expectations, personal values, or past experiences. To illustrate the concept of the Sigma INFJ shadow self, let's delve into the character of the Hulk from the